beauties. I hope you're all doing well, you're having a lovely day. Today's video we're gonna be checking out this new Revolution Pro Rockstar Nude Edition shadow palette. So we're gonna do some swatches first and then create a makeup look. Revolution was kind enough to give me, I'm always super honest with you guys when it comes to PR or sponsored posts or anything like this. The palette is cruelty free and vegan friendly as all Revolution products are, which I really love about them. So I already reviewed the Revolution Rockstar Nude Edition shadow palette and the Rockstar gel eyeliners. It should be up on my channel if you guys want to check it out. I haven't opened this one yet as I want it to be like a proper first impressions review as I always do, because I think, you know, it's fair for you guys instead of me knowing already what it is and having opinion about it. What you think, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. I prefer to be super honest with you and, you know, see the palette for the first time just as you do. Alright, so the Rockstar Nude Edition shadow palette, let's see what we have. The palette looks like this. We have 18 colors. It's really pretty, very wearable colors. I think that's why we're calling this a nude edition. It has a huge mirror as well, as you guys can see. All the shadows are named. So far what I see, we have 5 nudes and the rest is shimmers and pressed pigment, which I am excited about. Alright, let's do swatches first and then we can try and create a makeup look. Therefore, I'm not wearing any makeup. I always do my eyes first and then I do the rest. So for the swatches, let's start from a top line and then just go like this. So let's start with a shade in here. It's called Exclusive. It's a matte shade. Super nude shade. A matte shade. Oh, okay. Love this one. Oh my god, this is so buttery creamy. Completely different texture comparing to these two, because these were like proper mattes. In more powdery, this is super creamy, you guys. That could be used as a highlight as well, I think. Oh my god, this is... wow. Okay, it's super creamy, like I literally can press this in. Oh my goodness, you guys, that is super pretty. Wow, okay. So pressed pigment, shimmer, mattes. This looks good, you guys, look at that. Okay, it's insanely pigmented. These swatches are insane, you guys. It's so pigmented as you see. The first like lighter shade is not as visible in here. My fingers did. But like the rest, especially the shimmers and pressed pigments, oh my god, like insane. And without any further ado, we should try and create a makeup look using these and see how pigmented it's gonna be using the brush, because it's one to use a finger and swatch and totally different as when you use the brush. Let's do that. Alright, let's start from this shade. I'm gonna go out the corner and then drag to a crease. And then what's left going to the crease. Gently. I think we should add a bit of a shimmer, so I'm gonna go with different shimmer from lightest to darkest gradually, starting from this shade. Starting in at my corner. I'm going slightly bit higher than creases as well, as I want this to be visible, but yet very nice nude kinda. I'm taking a slightly bit darker shade for a middle, and then we're gonna go with this darkest on the outer corner. Once again, I'm going higher than my crease is. And for the outer corner, I'm going with this shade in here. Okay, let's add a bit of the eyeliner, because why not, right? The eyeliner is on. I think we should apply some falsies, so I'm gonna use Winged Cosmetics Bottom Lashes and Adhesive Liner combo. Alright, so the face makeup is on. Let's finish off the eye look. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go just with like a nude-ish shade. So we're just gonna go with this all over the lower lash line. Just like that. And the inner eye corner, I want it to like proper pop. So I'm gonna go with Press Shimmer, because why not? Let's go for inner eye corner with this shade, guys. Ooh. Okay, that is intense. What do you guys think? I really like this pop-up shimmer on the inner eye corner, actually. Okay, let's apply a little bit of mascara and we are done with this look. So I'm coming back to Revolution 5D Lash. And our makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? Hey guys, what do you think of this makeup look? Is it yay or a nay from you? It was super easy to create, as you've seen. This eyeshadow palette, the pigments, pressed pigments, shimmers, oh my god, super pigmented. You guys seen it for yourself. But when it comes to mattes, we have 5 mattes in here. I wouldn't purchase this palette for matte shades. I mean, the shade it is in there, the color is there, we definitely can see that, but I wouldn't buy this palette thinking, oh, there's such a nice matte shades, I'm gonna use it just that. No, that wouldn't worth it, because matte shades for some reason are not as pigmented as other palettes. Even the Rockstar Nude edition, the another shadow palette, I reviewed that. The matte shades were proper pigmented. For this, I'm slightly bit disappointed. Like, I don't want to be disappointed, but I'm honest with you guys, and I promise to be always honest with you. So the matte shades, I'm a bit disappointed because it's not as packed with pigment as the pressed shimmers and the pigments are, because those are like, I mean, you guys seen it, a little bit goes a lot and is definitely there. So for the shimmers and pressed pigments, because it's a majority of the colors, like 13 of them, I would definitely go for this palette. The 5 mattes are a bit disappointing. So I'll let you guys decide what you think of this palette. That being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Very important part. It's free as well, doesn't cost you a penny. It's not painful either. Just need to press the button. It's gonna majorly support my channel if you will. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time I post a new video, so you're first ones to see that. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this eyeshadow palette, if you like this makeup look I created, and what you would like to see next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day guys. Ciao for now!